Hi, I'm Katie, and today we are making pumpkin bread with cinnamon streusel. So let's start out with making the dry mix. So we start out with 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. We have a cup of all-purpose flour, and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder, salt, baking soda, nutmeg, and a little cinnamon. And then I'm just gonna whisk this together. Okay, and so now we're gonna mix together the wet ingredients. So we're gonna have some brown sugar and white sugar, just a 1/2 cup of each. If you'd like a unrefined sweetener, you can use another granulated sugar like maple sugar instead. Melted butter, this is a 1/4 cup. 2 whole eggs. 2 tablespoons of canola oil, or you can use avocado oil. This is cream sherry. Now this is the flavor that you will recognize from eggnog. It adds a really nice flavor. If you'd like, you can also sub in some dark rum instead. And then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then 1 can, a 14-ounce can of canned pumpkin. Just gonna whisk this together. Let's make this streusel next. So I have some more all-purpose flour, just 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Again, you can use maple sugar if you prefer. And then a 1/4 cup of rolled oats, some more cinnamon, and then just some softened butter, 1 tablespoon. So I'm just gonna work this together with my hands. And you just have to keep working until it comes together into clumps. Okay, let's mix everything together now. So I have my wet mix here. I'm gonna add the dry mix to it. And then I'm just gonna stir it until it's just combined. Now I'm gonna put it into my loaf pan. First, I wanna make sure that it's coated with cooking spray. Then I'm gonna add my batter. Just gonna smooth this out a little bit. And now I'm gonna put on the streusel topping. Now I'm just gonna pop this in the oven for about an hour. Okay, look at that. How good does that look? So just make sure that you let it cool before you take it out of the pan.